Dear students, hope you all are well and healthy. You know, here we are discussing class 7 English for summative exam 2. Today we are going to discuss lesson 8, the story of Proserpine, unit 2. The unit 1 is already uploaded. You might have watched that. And from unit 1, you knew that Proserpine, the dear daughter of Ceres, was kidnapped by Pluto, the king of the dead world, and Ceres had come back to her home and searching for her dear daughter. So this is the story. Actually, this is the outline of the story. This is a summary of the story. You have to read out the full story from the textbook. Okay, so let's start. After returning home in the evening, Ceres was extremely surprised. Ceres, the goddess of plants and crops, Proserpine was nowhere in all the rooms. Then Ceres wandered about everywhere throughout the whole night in search of her dear daughter, lighting a torch from the fires of a volcano. What is volcano? Volcano is a magma erupting mountain. Because of searching her daughter, Ceres neglected all her work on earth. As a result, the crops failed and the ground became dry and barren everywhere. What is the barren? Barren means loss of fertility. The ground has lost its fertility. Famine broke out all over the world. Famine broke out all over the world. What is famine? Famine is a big scarcity of foods. The people came to Ceres and implored her to restore normality and save them. But with sad and weary face, Ceres replied that she could not take care of the earth until she got back her lost daughter. So the people sent their prayer to Jupiter, the king of the gods. So Jupiter was the king of the gods, Greek gods, to bring Proserpine back to her mother. One day, when Ceres was passing by a river, waves carried something to her feet. Picking up the object, she saw that it was the girdle of her daughter. The girdle, that very girdle that Proserpine threw out on the bank of the river. Suddenly, Ceres heard a voice from a nearby fountain which told her that she was the nymph of the fountain. Fountain is a waterfall. And nymph is one type of Greek goddess of plants, trees, mountains, etc. And had seen Proserpine on a throne in the kingdom of Pluto. So nymph was saying this to Ceres. The nymph suggested her means Ceres, to go to Jupiter and pray to him to send Proserpine back to her. Ceres went to the Jupiter and proposed him to give Proserpine back to her, and she would restore the normality on earth once again. Okay. Considering the mother's sorrow and the prayers of the people, Jupiter told Ceres that Proserpine might return to earth if she had not tasted any food in Pluto's kingdom. But Jupiter gave a condition to Ceres. What is the condition? This was the condition. Okay. That Proserpine might return to earth if she had not tasted any food in Pluto's kingdom. Ceres quickly descended into the land of dead and found out Proserpine, unfortunately, had eaten 6 pomegranate seeds that very day. Pomegranates is one type of fruit with red seeds. And for every seed, she was destined each year to spend a month in Pluto's kingdom. So for one seed, 1 month, then for 6 seed, 6 months. Okay. So for 6 months, every year Proserpine would come back to her mother. When she did so, everything on the earth seemed to be smiling. But when the time came for Proserpine to rejoin Pluto, Ceres would begin to grieve for 6 months. The earth too would look sad and gloomy because of the absence of Proserpine. Okay, so this is the story, outline of the story. Okay, no more. Take care and stay healthy.